Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious egg soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and your favorite seasonings. Don't forget fresh aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green onions. Having a cornstarch slurry prepared will also be helpful for achieving the perfect consistency. Now, let's create the flavorful base for our soup. Pour about 4 cups of your chosen broth into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Enhance the taste by adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a half teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Stir in your finely minced ginger and garlic, allowing them to infuse the broth with their wonderful aroma. This is where the magic happens, the egg drop technique. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 or 3 large eggs until they are just combined, but avoid over-whisking to prevent frothiness. Slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the gently simmering broth in a very thin, continuous stream. As you pour, gently stir the soup with a fork or chopsticks to form beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. For a slightly thicker consistency, slowly stir in 1 tablespoon of your cornstarch slurry until the soup reaches your desired thickness. Finally, ladle your warm, comforting egg soup into bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions and a dash of white pepper for an extra kick of flavor. Serve immediately and savor every spoonful of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.